Everyone's talking about AI taking over jobs, and it's probably not happening in a Terminator way like in science fiction, but we're talking more real, everyday jobs that millions of people do today getting impacted by AI. So I spent weeks digging through reports to find out 30 jobs that are most likely to be disappearing in the next 5 years. Before we start, let's be clear about what replaced means. Most jobs won't disappear overnight, but the tasks that are involved with the job may be replaced. So let's say if over 70% of what a job does can be automated by AI, the job won't look the same anymore. So we're talking about jobs that are slowly fading as companies find faster and cheaper ways to get things done. And to cope with this, a lot of you will have to learn new skills to keep up with AI. So for example, a travel agent might handle more niche or exotic trips that AI can't plan and offer more high-end concierge type services. Where you live also matters. Like for example, in South Korea, the adoption rate for technology is so high that everyone loves to automate everything everywhere. Whereas in some countries, maybe the adoption of technology is slower. Also think about industries. Newer industries will move faster, while traditional or regulated industries like healthcare will take much longer to change. Okay, so we understand the macro perspective of how AI will impact jobs, but what does this mean for you? If you want to go deeper, I wrote a 39-page report called AI and the Future of Work 2025, so you can grab the full PDF on my website. The links are in the description. Now, if you're working in one of these roles on the list, don't wait. Start learning how to use AI tools in your field. Investigate how AI is impacting your job, your company, and the industry as a whole. I'm Jane, and I've been working in tech for 20 years, and I've seen these transitions happen over and over. The ones that make it through these changes are usually the ones who adapt early, not the ones who resist. And if you're not in one of these roles, still pay attention because you never know how things might change and start changing your industry or your job. With that in mind, let's break down the specific jobs most at risk of being replaced or transformed by AI. I have grouped the jobs into 10 categories. So let's start with administrative work. Job number 1 is data entry clerks. These are people who move information from one system to another. And this role is 95% likely to be replaced because tools like Airtable can now pull data from different sources and organize it all automatically. Also, there are tools like Zapier that makes integration between tools so much easier. Number 2 is payroll clerks. They calculate wages and process paychecks. This job has a 90% chance of being replaced because modern payroll software like ADP or Workday already handles tax calculations and direct deposits all automatically. Number 3, accounts payable clerks. Their job is to process bills and invoices for companies, also about 90% likely to disappear. Platforms like Salesforce can now scan invoices, match them to purchase orders, and approve payments with almost no human involvement. Job number 4 is appointment schedulers. They book meetings and manage calendars. About 88% likely to be replaced. I've been using Calendly for all my meetings for a while now. And before tools like this, we would have to rely on human administrative assistants to handle calendars manually. Job number 5 is transcriptionists. They turn audio recordings or meetings into written text. And this role is basically going to be 99% gone. I've been using Otter.ai for all my meetings and conferences, and it's gotten so good. The accuracy is really impressive. Job number 6 is receptionist, mainly for routine tasks like checking people in. About 85% likely to disappear. Many offices already are using iPads to check people in. Pretty much like every single tech company I visit nowadays have these systems, and some of them are even hooked up to printers to automatically make name tags, and they work great. Now let's talk about customer service type roles. By the way, if there are any roles that you would like to see that's not on the list, let me know in the comments, and I can talk about them in my next video or upcoming newsletters. Job number 7 is call center agents. These are the people who answer customer service calls. 95% likely to be replaced because you probably noticed Most customer service is already handled by chatbots. The ones that are still human will be probably next to be replaced. Job number 8 is order processing clerks. They handle online orders and shipping, 88% replacement chance. If you look at Amazon, they already do most of this automatically through their app and it works really well. And obviously tech companies like Amazon has been adopting these early on, but rest will follow. Moving on to creative and marketing type roles. Number 9 are junior SEO copywriters. SEO stands for search engine optimization. This is to help your sites rank higher on Google searches. 85% likely going to be replaced because you can already use ChatGPT to write decent SEO content. Though some complex strategy may need some human touch, but you can use other tools like SEMrush is really good at helping your websites rank higher on Google. Surfer SEO is another popular one for content development. Number 10 is copywriters related to the SEO writers, but they can work also on promotional text for advertisements or the text on the website or apps. 88% likely to be replaced because again, ChatGPT can generate and write multiple ad versions for you. There may still be some copywriters, but more of a managerial role where they oversee the final draft rather than writing them from scratch. Job number 11, junior video editors. For simpler content, 70% replacement probability. I use CapCut and I've been loving it. The AI features are so good and they keep adding new ones like every week and they just keep getting better. And there are tons of other tools in this space like Descript that helps you edit captions, or Opus, you upload your long form video and it will automatically cut them into short scripts, add captions and B-rolls all for you. Number 12 is stock photo or video creators. I don't know if you've tested them, but I've been playing around with these Gen AI tools. They are so good nowadays. They can do photos and videos, so these jobs are 88% likely to be replaced. Like for example, Gemini Nano Banana has been really mind-boggling. AI tools in the past never really worked with Asian faces, but Nano Banana works. There are other tools like ChatGPT and Canva, really good at AI generated photos. And I've also seen tools that can even augment and extend a photo into a video. And for all of these tools, all you have to do is very simple, basic prompts. And they just keep getting so much better. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like in 5 years. Next, let's look at finance roles. Number 13 is bookkeepers. They track company expenses and accounts. About 85% likely to be replaced. Accounting software like QuickBooks can now automatically categorize expenses, flag errors, and generate reports, and they're very easy to use. Number 14 are bank tellers. They handle deposits, withdrawals, basic account services, 80% chance likely to disappear. ATMs and mobile apps can do most of these tasks faster and reliable. I don't even remember when was the last time I actually had to go into a bank to talk to a teller. Do you remember? Number 5 is insurance claim processors. They review routine claims and check policy details for you. About 85% likely to be replaced because AI can read accident reports, verify coverages, and approve simple claims all automatically. And these repetitive patterns are like AI's superpower. Number 16 are quant traders. They follow data-driven strategies to trade stocks or assets. 75% likely impacted. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets and execute trades faster than any human can with more accuracy. Goldman Sachs is already testing Cognition's Devin, you remember the first AI developer, which is probably going to replace a lot of traders, and this is only the start. Now let's talk about legal work. Number 17 is paralegals. They read through legal documents looking for relevant information for court cases. 80% likely replaced. Tools like Harvey AI offers AI agents to streamline your work. They can do anything from like legal research to making contracts. This company was valued at $5 billion after raising $300 million recently. There's clearly a lot of demand for tools like this in the legal systems. Number 18 is contract draft writers. For standard legal documents, 82% replacement rate. LegalZoom already generates basic contracts automatically for you. I've used them. They were not offering the highest quality service, but the price was definitely the best. And that's the thing about these tools, like they don't have to be that great, they don't have to be perfect because they're so much cheaper than what it used to cost. Okay, now we're going to look at tech roles. We're about halfway through the list. So what do you think about it so far? If you're in one of these roles, let me know in the comments how you're preparing for these changes. Number 19 is QA testers. They run repetitive software tests, about 85% likely to be replaced. Instead of manually testing, QA engineers are now building automated testing tools that can run continuously without human input. This has always been a really hot space with a lot of contenders. Job number 20 is web developers. If you're building basic websites, 80% likely going to be replaced by AI because tools like Lovable and advanced Figma features now let non-technical people create functional websites in minutes. And I have made videos about this. I have been very impressed. Next is language services. They're being automated faster than ever. Job number 21 is general translators. They translate common languages, and about 85% likely to be replaced because machine translation got scary good in 2024, especially for routine text, and they can handle documents, emails, websites without human help. I'm really excited to test out the newest AirPods. They supposedly support live translations now. I'm going on a trip soon, so I'll let you know how it goes. Number 22 is captioning specialist. They add subtitles to videos like on Netflix. Around 92% likely to disappear because have you seen YouTube and other platforms now generate auto captions for you? And they're pretty accurate for most standard text. Number 23 is voiceover artists. They do the voices for content like explainer videos or ads. About 75% likely to be replaced. Synthetic voices are sounding pretty good nowadays, so good enough for a lot of commercial uses, cutting out the need for human narrators. Some retail and travel roles are changing too. Number 24 is checkout clerks. They handle sales and process payments in retail stores. 88% likely to be replaced. Self-checkout has been around for a while, and with the development of more security cameras and detection tools, it will be even more secure in the future. Number 25 are travel agents. They help book standard trips for clients, around 75% likely to disappear. Tools like Google Flights already provide better data and options than most human agents can. But there are, complex situations or luxury trips that may still need human touch, but these will be niche, exotic trips that require more concierge type services. Next up is operations and logistics. Number 26 is warehouse pickers. They collect items for shipping, about 80% likely to be replaced because robots with computer vision can now pick and pack items faster than humans can, and they don't get tired or make mistakes. Number 27 is inventory clerks. They count and track products. About 85% likely gone. Sensors and automated systems now monitor stock levels in real time, flagging shortages or overstock without any human checking on it. Number 28 are truck drivers. They transport goods over long distances, about 80% likely to be impacted as soon as self-driving trucks can handle long-haul deliveries. Driverless trucks are already being tested in places like Texas. Finally, even some healthcare roles, like number 28 is medical billing clerks. They process insurance claims and invoices. Automation tools can now check claims, code procedures, and flag errors much faster than humans. Number 30 is pharmacy administrative assistants who work on counting pills, verifying prescriptions, and managing inventory. They're at 85% replacement chances. Automation tools are starting to handle many of the routine tasks that these human workers used to do, from managing inventory to processing prescriptions. Now you have the 30 jobs. If you want a deeper dive into future of jobs and trends and learn about the rising jobs for the future, check out this video and I'll see you there.